Hi, this is Steve for another online Excel tutorial, and in this one we're going to talk about how to create a sum formula in Excel. And it's pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to dive right into an example and show you how to do it. And so you can see in this example I just have a list of numbers here. They're just random numbers, and we're just going to go to the cell below these and we're going to create a sum formula to add all these numbers up. And the way you do that is you start by pressing the equals key, and then you start by typing sum, S-U-M, and you'll notice that it brings up a list of functions here that we can choose from, and sum is the first one. So you can either click on this, or you can hit the tab key, or you can just continue typing and putting your brackets in manually. But the easiest way is to just, if it's selected on there already, you just hit the tab key, and you'll notice that capitalized the word sum, which is our function, and it automatically added in our brackets here, which is super nice. Now for our formula, we have to put in the cells that we actually want to add up, and the simplest way to do that is to just take your mouse and left click and drag it down, and you'll see that it puts in those cells. So what this means is A1, and the semicolon means through A5. And you can see the marching ants are surrounding our entire block of cells. So all of those are selected and they're all going to be added up together. And then you can either manually enter this a closing parentheses right here, or you can just hit enter and Excel will do it for you. So you can see that that is now adding up all those numbers for a total of 22. And I'll double click back into this so you can see the formula again, and that's exactly what it looks like if you wanted to just type it in manually. You could also go up here and do it up here. So if I wanted to change this, so I just added cells A1 through A4 and not A5, I can just go in here and hit the backspace and type 4, and now you see it's selecting A1 through A4. When I hit enter, it's going to just be adding up those and not that one. So that's how you do the sum formula in Excel. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Click like, click subscribe, join one of my courses that are in the description below. I love teaching people and taking them from beginners to mastery in a very short and comfortable period of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.